Hi, this is Rick Filio coming to you from Pembroke, New Hampshire. Today is September 3rd, 2018, Labor Day. And today I have a 1976 Johnson 9.9. I showed this one last year too, but the guy that owns it didn't ever use it after I worked on it. So I thought I'd give another quick update demonstration, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we got the thing running now. It's got a brand new water pump impeller. This is a motor, it's a 76, so it doesn't have a telltale. But once it starts warming up, it'll come out the back. And there it is, you can see it. So overall, the block is in great condition. Everything else is good. I mean, it's scratched on the outside because a little bit of, just not used and just having it in storage in a shed the whole time, but it's really a good runner. That's forward, back to neutral, in reverse. And it does idle right down too, so let's see, we'll get it down a little lower. I think it'll make a great fishing motor for somebody. Thanks for watching.